Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to raise your hand on Zoom. To raise your hand on Zoom during the meeting, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing you need to do is to open the Zoom desktop app and sign in. Then you can join a meeting. So go to the Home tab and click on Join to enter the meeting you want to attend. Let's say I just want to start a new meeting because I don't have any meeting that I want to attend. So to connecting, let's disable this and disable my sound as well. So once in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar, which is here, and locates the reactions icon. This is react. So react icon, it's usually represented by this heart emoji that is here, or this heart emoticon that is here. So go ahead and click on react to open a menu of available reactions. Now from these options, you're going to see the clap, you're going to see the thumbs up, the love, you have laugh, you have surprise, that's the open mouth, and you have tada with more like congratulations, and down here you have raise hand. Now click raise hand in the reactions menu. Fine, so just go ahead and find and click that, and you see your raised hand icon will appear next to your name in the participant list and may also appear on your video feed for others to see. So as you can see here, so the host and other participants can see that you have raised your hand, signaling that you would like to speak or you have a question. So for you to lower your hand, click lower hand, which is here. To lower your hand after you've been acknowledged, just go ahead and click on lower hand at the bottom to remove the raised hand icon. So, or alternatively, if you don't find the lower hand right there at the bottom, just head over to reactions again. So lower your hand after you've been acknowledged, just go click on the reactions again, and in the reactions menu, click lower hand to remove the raised icon. Now, by following the steps, you can easily raise your hand on Zoom to participate in discussions or ask questions during a meeting. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.